Alright, here we are back at the Barberville Family Farm Swap. Say hey!
Hey!
Huh? No, I don't edit out anything. Okay. Getting ready to do the free raffle.
You have samples right now. I see the pink ones.
Fancy ticket spinner here. Hey, this major up there in the Barberville parking lot.
You can see Lloyd in the background over there. He kind of towers over everybody.
All right, bale of hay, donated by Hay Baby, Leon Springs. He's going to be starting selling here some horse feed right now, shavings right now. He's getting ready to open up his own feed store. If anybody knows DeLeon Springs, he bought the old Strawn property there where the old packing house was there from the 30s and 40s. That 8 acres or 12 acres right there on the corner of Spring Garden Road. He's going to try to put a feed store there, so wish him well. Bale of Tifton hay. It's in my trailer. Careful about that tack goat in there. Pretty proud of that thing. 331. Last 3 numbers we're going to call it. Get that bale of hay. Tifton hay from Hay Baby. 331. 331. There you go. Do we grab it or you want the boys? Mark Grove? There you go. $20 gift certificate. Lusner Feed Mill. I know some people come from like 2 hours away. Lusner Feed Mill's in downtown Samsula, New Smyrna, basically. So if you win it, you might want to give it to somebody else or make some kind of arrangement or whatever to somebody else. Just let you know. So somebody can use it. He donates about 3 of these gift certificates. This one's for $20. He's got 30 days to use it, it looks like. 134. Last 3 numbers. Everybody needs to feed these animals, right? You got it? Good. You know where Lusner Feed Mill is?
I do, I'm a friend. Buffy, what do I have down there? No, it's okay. I was asking for a friend. This is sorry.
No, you're all right.
You didn't get me, did you?
Oh, absolutely.
It's a very nice flashlight. Tactical supply right down here. So if y'all need some of that stuff that you need to protect yourself with, it's right down here, the far end. I'm going to give you his card. Kid can win it, it's fine. This ain't one of the ones that have the protection stuff on it. So don't shine in y'all's eyes, okay? Some of them, yeah, very good flashlight. Three, 6, 1. 3, 6, 1.
So that's what he had said. I think I got it last week.
Here you go. Here's your 9, Jack.
I think it was your boyfriend or something.
948.
Buy his.
There you go. Don't let your dad sell it.
And I came back and bought it.
That's it for 9 o'clock. I got more feed, more hay, more gift certificates, jerky, white plates. What's that? Oh. The FFA kids are doing a paid raffle for a $1 ticket, 7 for $5 for these nice little silky chickens right here. And then we're going to do it around 10:15, so if you want to help out their raffle, it's a whole $1, and I guarantee you, you'll be the cheapest chickens out here today.